Hello friends, my name is Saili Dattatray Sawant. I am from Ahmednagar. Today's date is 15th of November 2021 and today's video topic is features of Java. So now I am explaining the features of Java. The primary objective of Java language is to make it portable, secure and simple programming language. Apart from this, the Java has many excellent features which plays an important role to make the popularity of this language. Uh, the Java features are also known as Java buzzwords. Sun Microsystem describes the Java features in detail. The most important features of Java are as follows: object oriented, secure, robust, platform independent, multi threaded, interpreted, dynamic, distributed, uh, then portable. Um, that these are the features of Java. Now let's take a look on them in detail. Now the first one is simple. Java is a very easy to learn and its syntax is very easy, clean and simple. According to and very easy to understand. According to Sun Microsystem, the Java language is a simple programming language because its syntax is based on C++, so easier to for programmers to understand before C++. Java has removed uh, many complicated and rarely used features like explicit pointers and operators overloading, etc. And to uh, there is no need to remove the unreferenced objects because the Java has an automatic garbage collection. Now the second one is object oriented. The Java is an object oriented programming language. uh, Everything in Java is an object. Object oriented means organize softwares uh, we organize our softwares as a collection of different types of objects that incorporable both data and behavior. Object oriented is a methodology that simplifies software development and maintenance by providing the same some rules. The basic concepts of loops are class, object, encapsulation, um, inheritance, abstraction, and polymorphism. Now, the third one is platform independent. Java is a platform independent programming language because it is different than C, C++, and other programming languages. While Java is a write once and run anywhere programming language. A platform is the hardware or software environment in which program runs. There are two main types of soft there are two main types of environment, that is software based and hardware based. Java provides software based platform. It has two component, runtime environment and API, that is applicable that is application programming interface. Now the fourth one now the fourth one feature of Java is secure. Java is best known for its security. With Java we can uh, with Java we can develop virus free system. Java is a secure because no explicit pointers and Java programs run inside a virtual machine in sandbox. Now the second one is robust. The English meaning of robust is strong. The Java language is robust because it uses strong memory management. So it's about features of Java. Thank you.